this is disgusting. Oh, I got it in my eye. How am I gonna mash this? Oh, I might have to call this one a day. I've just cut myself. How did that happen? Stop this madness. Wow, I look like trash. Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out some DIY at home face masks, lip scrub and a hair mask because do you know what? I need some TLC. My skin is breaking out, my hair is dry and horrible and oh, I'm not focused. I'm focused now. I just need a full body MOT. Do you know what I mean? I need to feel good about myself. I need to pamper myself. That's what I'm going to be doing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I am getting a bit more interactive with you guys now. If you want to be involved in some future videos, you know I'm going to be. I will put everything down below. I've got a bowl of food that I cannot eat that is going to be going on my face. This video is basically just showing you that you can look good on a budget. You don't need no fancy dancy £30 face mask. No, pop yourself down to Aldi, go down the fruit and veg aisle, pick yourself up some avocado, some cucumber, and you're good to go. Let's just get straight into the video. I've got 3 bowls. I'm gonna do 2 face masks, 1 hair mask, and then I think the lip scrub. I might need another bowl for. I didn't think that through, did I? The first one I'm going to do is, I think, the messiest. So let's get the messiest one out the way first. I'm gonna do avocado. Thanks.
The avocado. Thanks.
If you don't get the reference, you're too young. Right, this one literally is only 2 ingredients. Avocado and honey. Oh, you can use avocado in your hair? I did not know that. I hate avocado, fun fact for you. I don't see the height, hate the texture, hate the look, hate the smell, hate the taste. I'm not an avocado person, but I wish I was because they're really healthy for you. Half an avocado, how do you, I'm gonna move you down. Oh, so much space, you can see my bra. I've tucked my bra straps in because ghetto. Cut it down the middle. It's dripping on me. Is it meant to sound like that? Oh, this is just. How can anybody eat this? It says it has to be ripe. I have no idea when you tell if it's ripe. I'm assuming that means it's firm. Not firm. It looks off. Is that what it's meant to look like on the inside? I can't get the pip out. Spoon, avocado, peel. This is disgusting. Why is the skin so hard on my avocado? Like, can you hear that? Listen. Is it meant to sound like that? It's on my hand. I don't like it. I feel like I'm doing a bush type of trial. Mash it up. Oh my god. How the hell do you mash an avocado up? It's not like smash, smash, smash. I sounded like the slug lady from What's His Inc.
Mike Wazowski, you didn't finish your paperwork this morning.
Oh my god, I should be a voice actor. Is this mashed? This is going on my face. I just realised I freaked out at touching my hand. I have no idea what the benefits of avocado is for your skin. I should probably Google that. I will Google that actually soon. You know, we're all about some science and some education. Mash 1 tablespoon of honey. Where's my honey? I don't like honey either. Oh, I don't like honey or avocado. And I put both on my face. Oh, it's gone over. Oh no. So this is what the bowl currently looks like. I'm just gonna look how disgusting. I'm sorry. What the hell? It's gone on my face. Oh, it's splashed up. This looks disgusting. It's like Shrek's vomit. I don't know how long I need to leave it on for. 20 minutes. We're gonna do it. Do it. Can you see? Oh no, what I'm about to put on my face. It looks like actual vomit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have so many regrets. So I'm gonna just go for this now. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. Oh, look at my mouth. This absolutely stinks. How can anybody actually put this? Oh my god, it's gone up my nose. In their body and enjoy it. Like, look at the texture. People have like smashed avocado on toast. Oh my god. How do I take this off? Do I wash it into my face? Do I scrub it? I don't know what to do. Oh, I got it in my eye. It's like chunks of avocado that I don't think are very smashed very well. That was really bad English. This is so much. It's like, stab this madness. This looks horrendous. Oh, my eye! My eye! My eye! Oh, I'm gonna have avocado all over my glasses, but do you know what? It's okay. You guys just need to subscribe just for this alone. How do you not love this content? Right, I'm gonna leave this on my face for 10 minutes and then wash it off and I'll let you guys know how my skin feels afterwards. Bye. Get out. Oh, I dripped. Oh no, it went on my top. Get out my swamp. Drugs are like, oh, what the fuck? Did I do so? It's been on for about 2.5 minutes, and it's starting to sting my face. I'm guessing if it's stinging, it's doing something to my skin. Hopefully good. Who knows? Find out. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for the sound everyone hates. It's also sliding a lot. Like this started off up here. That was here, that's for my glasses, but yeah, this bit here started off up here, this bit was here, this bit was right up there, that's right down my forehead. But it's starting to sting slightly. Now, I don't know if this is just because I've got really, really sensitive skin. I probably should have thought this through before I started filming this video, but hey ho, we're here now. So yeah, I'm gonna get this off my face. Oh, it's all down my neck. See, this wasn't down here. I'm going to go wash this off my face and then I'll come back and let you know how my skin feels. So that's now all washed off my face, and my forehead is really itchy. Well, it's brought out a little spot, but my skin does feel softer. Like, it definitely feels softer. It feels cleaner as well. It feels a lot softer. Oh, it feels really soft. I feel like a baby's bottom. I'm going to rate this one 6 out of 10. The smell, the texture, it kept sliding. It started to itch a little bit. Everything else worked like a charm. The next one, mash 1 whole cucumber. I ain't got a whole cucumber. I ain't got food to waste. I've got like 1/4 of a cucumber. Strain the water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. How am I gonna mash this? Oh, it just smells so nice, doesn't it, cucumber? I don't know how I'm gonna mash this up. I've got my fork. Oh, hold on. Okay, right. I'm gonna pause this, try and mash my bowl of cucumber. No! Mush this off camera because I think it's gonna take me a while, and then once it's mushed, I will show you. So I did add the tablespoon of sugar, and I mashed up my cucumber and drained it. This is what it kind of looks like. So I did strain it up water, so I'm gonna mix it. It looks really cool. It looks like a kid's thing. Not slime, but the thing that they play with that looks like jelly. I can vibe with this one. I could not vibe with the avocado, but I like cucumber. I dropped it on the floor. Also, very hard to mash, may I add. Very hard. I had to cut it into tiny little pieces. So this is what it looks like currently. Not as bad as the other one. Oh, I don't know if, I really don't know if this is gonna stick to my face, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's just falling off my face. Oh, rub it in maybe like that. It's not sticking to my face. Why is it not sticking to my face? Why are you not sticking? It's not sticking to my head. Oh, it's gonna warm my eyes. Oh, this might be absolute fail. I might have to call this one a day. Yeah, nah, I tried. So that was a complete and utter, I've got cucumber in my hair. That was an absolute fail, and I'm so annoyed because I thought that was gonna be really nice. It smelled amazing. It looked cool, but it just wasn't sticking. Like, the avocado was a thick, creamy consistency. That was more of a liquid, and it just dribbled off my face. I just put cucumber back on my face, didn't I? The next one is a lip scrub, and it's literally sugar and honey. A little bit of sugar. Right, I've mixed the sugar. Oh, this is cool. Right, so I put the honey and sugar on my finger. Now I'm just gonna put it on my lips and rub it in. I hate the taste of honey. I'm guessing this is like an exfoliator for your lips. Like, the sugar gets all the dead skin off. Oh, honey's not bad. So I have put the sugar and honey, that was really, really good, on my lips. I've mixed it all in. They're smooth. Wow, they're really smooth. What the hell? Oh my god, it's like my lips are so smooth. I'm very impressed with that. Right, onto the hair mask. Now, the hair mask, I know this recipe because I used to do it on my hair every Sunday for about 2 or 3 years, and it made my hair so healthy and grow. 2 eggs. You crack the eggs into your bowl. I've got sugar all over my mouth still, sorry. Ow! Oh my god! I've just cut myself. How did that happen? Oh my god, I've just cut myself with the eggshell. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh my god, it's really hurting. Can I get salmonella if I've just got a cut from raw egg? Can you see that? Then take some coconut oil. Oh my god, I'm weak. Oh my god, I can't open it. One little tip for you. My mum taught me this. Whack the tin of something, you can't open a jar. Whack it with a knife, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it should open. I don't know how that works, but it does. Right, I need to stop. Right, it's usually 2 tablespoons, but I don't have that because I've just got a knife, so I'm putting my knife. So, eggs, coconut oil, a little bit of honey, and then the one bit that everyone's gonna be like, that is disgusting, is, yeah, mayonnaise. This is really good for your hair. I will find why it's good for your hair, because I did loads of research on it when I was looking at things on how to grow my hair. But I hate mayonnaise so much. So, that'll do. Disgusting. Right, and then mix this all together. I'm gonna film myself putting this one in the bathroom because I'm not gonna get egg yolk everywhere because I will not be cutting that up. Hello, so we are in my bathroom. Apologies if it's very echoey, but it's just echoey. This is our main bathroom because we don't really use this one because we have an ensuite and there's only 2 of us here. You're gonna section your hair. So I'm gonna get the end part. Also, see this stain? That is from the avocado that just spilt. all over me. Rub it into your hands just so it melts the coconut oil, that's the one. Make sure it's all in your hair from the root to the tip. Beauty is making yourself look really stupid on the internet and hoping it's entertaining for people. Is this entertaining for you? Ow, I've got my hair. I don't know. Let me know if you actually enjoyed this video in the comments below. Right, there we go. So this is just the first bit of my hair, and I'm gonna obviously do the rest. So what I normally do for this hair mask is I will have a shower and wash my hair normally, like, you know, the shampoo and conditioner, all that shebang. And then I would put this on my hair, put my shower cap on, put it under a hairdryer for about 15 minutes, and then leave it for 45 minutes, but still keeping your shower cap on so it gets all the heat. Or if you don't have a shower cap, use a plastic bag, and then wash it off. This is what it's currently looking like. I just really like to separate my curls. So yeah, I'm going to go put a shower cap over my head. I don't have 45 minutes, I don't have an hour to do this because I've got someone coming around about half an hour. But I'm gonna put it under the hairdryer for a little bit and then wash my hair, and then I will show you guys what it looks like once it's freshly washed. And yeah, the difference in how it was before. Horrible, frizzy, dry, to what it will look like after this. Right, so I've just come out the shower, washed my hair. I just put a little bit of oil in it, a little bit of conditioner. Like, it feels so refreshed. Love my hair when it's freshly washed. That was it for today's video. I don't know if you enjoyed this. I don't know if it was worth watching. If you have stayed around to the end, thank you. I really liked trying the face masks. Avocado one, I would definitely give a 7, no, I gave it a 6, didn't I? I would definitely give a 6 out of 10, purely based on texture, smell, and the fact it kept falling off my face. The cucumber one, I don't know if it's even on the scale, actually no, it's on the scale for smell. So I would put the cucumber one 4, because I like cucumber, I like the smell, I know it's refreshing for your skin. It looked cool. It looked cool. Everything else was a dud because it wouldn't actually stick on my face. The lip scrub, definitely give a 10 out of 10. Love the taste, really worked, can't fault it. And it's something that you would have in your cupboard at home. Like, you don't have to go and buy a lip scrub from Boots for like $5.99. And the hair mask, I already knew that I loved that because I've done it before. I'm pretty sure this is good for all hair types, not just curly hair. You might want to check that, but it is very good. I highly recommend. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
No. Oh my god, Siri's spying on me. That really scared me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you did in the comments down below, and any video suggestions you'd like to see from me, let me know. I always reply to comments. I always look at the comments. Anybody that actually takes time out of the day to put a message on one of my videos, I absolutely love. So thank you so much. Yeah, I will put all my links to socials as always in the description box below, and I will see you guys soon for a brand new video.